So welcome back to another video. You're listening to Sai Chandu Dharmaram. So in this video we will try to see the difference between a Notepad, Edit Plus, and one more ID. That is an environment. Okay, that is a Visual Studio Code. Okay, so basically you'll try to know the difference. Okay, what is the advantages of if you use Notepad. You know the advantages of Edit Plus if you use it. Okay, and the more advantage is like that is where we write the code basically. That is in Visual Studio Code. Firstly, we have to go for downloading that. Just go to Google. Just type like download Visual Studio Code. Click on enter. Click on the first link. You are able to see here, right? Windows you are able to see, and Mac here you are able to see. I don't know what is penguin is there. Penguin symbol. Okay, penguin symbol. I think some other operating system. I'm not aware of this. Some Mac or Apple symbol. Okay. So here is a Windows symbol. Now we are 7, 8, 9, 10 is supported. Okay. Just click on it. It will be downloaded. Just right click on it. After that, just click next. It will be freely downloaded without admin permissions also. You are able to download it. Okay, freely. So I already downloaded it. So just after downloading, just uh, in search box or in desktop also some people can see the Visual Studio Code, right? Or in search box you can type like this. Just click on it. Desktop shortcut. Okay. So this is a Visual Studio Code. You will be getting some welcome page. Just cut that. Just read if you want to know more about that. That's it. And we'll try to see elaborate more on previous code. Okay. This is the one, right? Sign in page, right? Just open with Google Chrome. So up to here we have seen, right, the output. Up to here we have seen in the previous video, right? The previous video, that is the different example, and this is the different example. So this is in this directly we wrote the Gmail account, right? The moment we click on it, if here validations is not there, that's why when we click on it, it will redirect to what, the Gmail ID. So I already logged in, and that ID I took and kept in this href. Okay, href, sorry, not this one. In this href. Okay, here, right? That's why I was able to log in without the form validations. Okay. So next thing is we are trying to see that output in center. Okay. So I want some more cascading styles should be applied over here. So we have three types of styles, right? One is external, inline, second one is inline, third one is internal, right? So we'll apply one of the CSS here and try to see the output. We'll go in forms, style equal to, that is nothing but attribute equal to some value. So style equal to what's the value? The center alignment is it, what, text. Align colon center. This is nothing but center alignment. Just go to the output, reload it. You got that, right? You got that exactly how in the center, right, with some indentation, right? Okay. Okay, indentation is like we have to see the spaces and all the things. Just remove the space, just remove it. It is again became zigzag. Okay, here again we are giving space here, or again in another language we will be writing something like this. Okay, for giving space, just checking whether it is working in this or not. No, it's not working like that. Some syntactically like that is there. So here just space. For giving space we will write like this. Okay. Okay. So with indentation it came, right. Good, good, good. So we got something known as Gmail with email ID password. After entering, and see the validations password is also secured way. Just click on sign in, you are able to log in. Up to here understood, right? Up to here in previous video we have seen, right? So in this video what we will try to do is like I want one folder. Okay, I want one folder. This is about edit plus. Okay, now edit plus work is over. If still people want something like they want something, and if still people are with that syntax in with simple, uh, that is not that syntax is in your fingertips, you can just go to IDs, right? You can still use the advantages. Some extensions are there. Okay. Okay, there you will see what is the advantage. Okay, so where we will go now, I'll try to create one new folder with something known as what do you want here. Yes, what we are doing, some HTML, and that's it. Just drag and drop here, it will work fine. You're able to see here, right? Or else just click on file, open folder. If you are not doing that, open folder, go to desktop, that HTML you can buy that like that also. You can select the folder and open it. Okay. Next, in this we have two things, right? New file is there. This is nothing but a folder only we have created, and just drag and drop it. This just click on that. Alright, I want two files. Okay, two files. One is one dot HTML. Click on it. I want one more file, right? That is 2 dot CSS. Center. No, 2 dots. CSS. Okay. We'll try to see the some outputs. Okay. Okay. Just copy the code, or else what you do, just shift exclamation, just press shift exclamation, just click on enter, you get the ready-made code. That's the shortcut. Okay. Okay, in body tag whatever is there, just copy inside body from Control C, Control V, right? Control S. Okay. So if you write here, you will try to see the output in this ID. Okay, so just click on run, debugging. You are able to see it is asking so many web browsers are there. What are the web browsers it is asking? Just click on Chrome. Okay, click on Chrome. It is loading. See the output, right? We got the same output in the here also. Where in this ID. What is the ID name? Visual Studio Code. Okay. So how in Java Eclipse is there. Similarly, for HTML, Visual Studio Code is there. That you should understand from this. That's the takeaway knowledge from this. Okay, ID means that's the takeaway knowledge. Okay, so what is next? What we have to do? What we have to do next? Observe one thing. See, whatever we are writing here, style equal to text align center right. Whatever we are writing here, this is known as what? This is single line, right? 10th line. Which line? Come on, tell yourself. Which line? The 10th line. That is line, right? That is nothing but inline cascading style sheets, inline CSS. Okay. Next one is whatever we are writing inside head. Okay, in the head. Okay, style style. Inside style, you take one body. Okay, body, right? Body is nothing but this body only. Okay, don't assume anything. In I mean to say this body it is reflecting. Okay, yes. So inside what we will write here, background color is red, want red. Okay, just click on Ctrl S, try to see the output. Just it is giving older output, right? Just reload the page. We got it, right? This is where we wrote this is nothing but against cascading style sheet only. This color code style we have to see. This style we writing in head, that is nothing but internal. Okay, internal. This is nothing but the style we wrote inside this. Okay, style. Okay, that is in head. Okay, this is nothing but internal, and we will write external. Okay, external style sheet. Now for that we need something known as uh, previously we discussed, right? For from so that is all about what we call internal style sheet. Okay, so I don't want I want this this thing to be written in external. I will make this example as external. Okay, how? You just see, go here. Where is that folder? ये भी चल यार. What is the folder name? HTML. Where is that folder? Click here. Yeah, we got it, right? When we click here, so we have to aware of this, how these terminals also work. Okay, for extensions downloading, we go here and we will download the extensions here. And for file, so here so many things are there for inbuilt. For after clicking explanation and click on enter, for that we have some inbuilt extensions are there. Okay, that is the advantage of IDEs. Okay, that Visual Studio Code. So in this, if we go to the first option, we are getting the file folder, right? So where we are in HTML folder, right? HTML. Okay, I want one more file called no, two. This is already there, right? 2.css, right? So the same code I am taking it out. This is nothing but from here to here. This is nothing but internal cascading style sheet. You understood, right? Internal cascading style sheet. Theoretically, in previous videos I have discussed. Now practical we are seeing, right? This is nothing but internal style sheet. This is nothing but in line. That is in only in line. Style is applied, which is in center. This red color is applied. Red color cascading style is applied for background, which where it is in head, and that is inside the style, that is nothing but internal. I'll go to where, I'll remove this, I'll just copy this body, okay, control X, okay, and I remove this one, style, okay. This is all about style, is all about in head, that is nothing but internal. Now we go here into one separate file, 2.html, 2.css, not html, 2.css, paste it here, paste it, that same syntax written here, okay. This is nothing but outside the file, right? This is not inside the html, this is outside, separate we are going, so that is not for that way the name came external. External means outside, okay. So that's why name external style sheet we will call, okay. That's how the name came to it. So remove this all the content. This is about edit plus, right? This meta. Okay. Above this you just write what, link. For writing this one, we have something known as link, right? For external sites, just click link and you will getting suggestions. Just click enter. So you will be getting entire thing, style sheet, okay. These things inside you just write two.css. Now you see whether you are getting output or not. Just click Ctrl S, go here, reload. I think it won't get, yeah, it won't get, right? Why? Here location is very much important. Where we are in HTML folder, right? Just HTML slash this second folder is there, right? That name we are writing here, 2.css. Just click on Ctrl S. Now see the output. See now wherever it is there, right? What is the meaning? Understand the meaning. This is a separate file which is there outside the one.html. That name, that file name is named as a 2.css, okay. That 2.css we are writing that 2.css where in href we are giving the value inside that, okay. Where this 2.css is present here, file structure, that file structure is present in a folder called html folder. First we are writing the folder name html, y slash that file name I am writing. What is the file name? 2.css. Now it is giving this particularly specific path it is giving. Now it will you will be getting output. Inside what is there inside 2.css? You go here, it is saying body. Where is the body? In 1.html, here is the body. So whatever the style sheets are, that is not cascading style, is the design, a painting, you can say painting, red color painting I want, where I want it to be applied to the body. Body means where, I said entire thing, right? Initially if you listen the my previous video, entire thing, right? This is nothing but web page body. What is this? Not this is, don't call any, and don't call in by mistake also, this is like a website. No, it is a web page. Inside it is web page, outside it is title, okay. Now you're technically you know the terminals. Outside is title name is document we wrote, that's why document is there. Inside the title, this is nothing but web page, okay. If we have more web pages, links are that in, but that makes a website, okay. Now you are in a technical terminology, you have to speak with, this is a web page. Now body, entire thing is nothing but body. How we can say entire thing? So color is applying for entire, right? Background color is nothing but entire body, right? So whatever inside is there in the web page, that is nothing but body. In body it is there. So just click on Ctrl S, save the changes here. We just given the HTML folder name, right? Specific path, just Ctrl S and just reload it. Now you are getting the previous output. Just reload it. So HTML slash 2.css, right? So what happened here? Link is there, right? So it should be applied where? Body. So it is body, right? So sometimes it happens, file location. What you do is just right click on it, okay. So right click this file, okay. Just copy path, go here. When we see here, we can only see the HTML. Go here and just remove entire thing, okay. Just paste it whatever the file path it is getting. Control V. So it is saying C, okay. It is we, okay. If you go to this PC, here so many things are there. C drive is there, E drive is there, O drive is there, S drive is there. So if you specify the file name with the folder name with file name also, inside there are so many drives are there, C drive, E drive, all the drives are there. So it is not giving the specific path there. So if at that time do one thing, go here, right click, copy path. If you have multiple drivers over there, just remove that entire name inside. In place of value, this is nothing but attribute, and in double quotes nothing but value. Just paste it, just paste that. It is nothing but giving a URL, okay, www.google.com. Similarly, that path we are giving similar kind of thing, just paste it over here. Control S, save it. So file name what, 1.html, okay. Go here, previous output you are getting, just reload it. We got it, right? Absolutely, we got the exact output, the same output in where, in the same output in internal CSS. Within style we wrote, right? The same output we got in external CSS. Nothing we did, we just taken that add property and added in another file, CSS separate file, and that separate file name we are calling here. That's it. This is nothing but external, previously that is nothing but internal, and this is nothing but inline. That's it. Understood, right? This is a practical example, right? So okay, up to now you understood clearly. Okay, I hope you no doubts. I think if you understand, if you follow my words, and if you see the practically, you will be very much clear. So in previous video, if you seen full video, in that we have given promise, right? What you will get to know the importance of ID, right? So for calling the another file name, this is the importance. And I want see, I in this what we did, in this ID is there. So in this what we call it, what we did here, this is edit plus ID. So I want the output, that's why I taken the this one, Google second sign in, already signed in the URL I type, I have written here in href, value I have given here. That's where we are able to sign in, right? I don't want like that. I want an output something known as hi, you have signed in, you have signed in. Okay, it's the same message, hi space you have signed in. That message, it will hi you have signed in successfully. That message I want to be displayed, okay. I want it to be displayed. For that I want one more, okay. File nothing but 3.threv dot, I am giving the names according to that file names, okay. 3 dot what is the file name I want, html. Okay, this is the advantages of so outputs the second way, that is nothing but it's a kind of action is performed over there, right? Buttons action is performed over there. So it is nothing but a similar kind of JavaScript action is performed, okay. So copy the entire path, okay. Control, copy it, copy the path, remove this one, click on Control V. So you got the path, right? So inside you just write exclamation and click on enter. You write it Sai Chandu, username, okay. It should display some dynamic username, it should be done. No, just we are writing the output for getting it. Hi Sai Chandu, you have logged in successfully. Okay, you are logged in successfully. Okay, just run. What it's saying? Okay, it looks like browser is only run, it seems. I just want to cut it because you people should be habituated in this environment. Just run, just start debugging. I will be waiting, right? Enter it. gmail.com. And what is the output, right? The password, right? Just click on sign in. You got it, right? Hi Sachandu, you have logged in successfully, correct? We got this output, successful output. We can see here the name is 3.html. Automatically that dynamically it changes, right? Based on the input we have given. Go back, here it is 1.html. Okay, after click on signing in. Okay, enter in the password, click on it. So that's the project we have seen here. So login sign in project. Okay, Gmail we have seen here with the basics which I know. So that's it in this video. Keep learning. Signing off.